Anderson, my Georgia, when we were first acquaint, your locks were like the raven, your bonny brow was brent, but now your brow is bald, John, your locks are like the snow, but blessings on your frosty brow, John Anderson, my John Anderson, my Georgia, we climb the hill together, and Moniac and John, we fought with another. No, we but tottered down, John, and